to another video. Video. Hey, thank you guys so much for tuning in to my channel. My name is Avrel and this is home of the Naturalista. So if I haven't showed it yet, I will be showing you right now as I'm speaking my cabinet, as well as some drawers and other cabinets that needs to be organized, and especially the plastic container drawer, as well as one of the cabinets over there. I just throw everything in there, honey. I don't even know where to start. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to like, and please don't forget to comment. Please be a part of my YouTube family. Go ahead and check out my Instagram as well. It's also home with the Naturalista. No space. So I gotta get started while I'm in the mood, because obviously it took a year to be in the mood, so I gotta go ahead and do what I gotta do. So thank you guys so much, and here is the video. All right, y'all, so these are the cabinets. Obviously I will be working on this, which I showed. However, there's some empty spaces now because of how I did the pantry, as well as overwhelming amount of teacups, and it's only 6 of us. And this cabinet just needs to be used better. It's like just junk there and stuff like that. I also want to take advantage of figuring out this drawer, because it can be used for more stuff. This one is actually empty, as well as trying to arrange this drawer here with all of our plastic containers, as well as pirate's dish. And in this pull out here, it is absolutely a mess. I have my backup kettle. Now a lot of the stuff may stay in here, but it just definitely has to be organized. I don't even know if you can see in there. But yeah, for the most part, in there needs to be cleaned out. So all right, y'all, so I'm about to start removing everything from the cabinet, putting it out on the, I'm gonna try to find a countertop. I'm gonna do the same thing I did in the pantry video of checking the expiration dates and seeing what I need to get rid of. The #1 issue that I have for the cabinet are my teas and the way that it is organized. I did order the tea organizer, I guess, from Container Store, but it is on back order, so I haven't received that yet. So for the time being, I'll have to substitute the containers for something else. I'm gonna listen to some music, so I'm gonna have to play some YouTube music while I do this. But thank you guys so much. No. To basically come closer to show you how stuck this thing is stuck. Look at that. I have to look at that. This right here, this is the St. Lucian hot sauce. All right, y'all, so this is everything out of the cabinet. This is all teas. Like, look at this. Like, this is just ridiculous right here. Cabinet empty. I wiped it down and ready to restock, so I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys that. So Let go. Some of my seasonings like this, the big ones, I'm gonna keep in these because obviously the bottles are way too small to try to, it's just not gonna work. So I'm just gonna keep these in there, okay? Some of these seasonings I actually got from Home Goods. Like this one is the ginger lemon sriracha. And literally it was $3.99 and it's really good. Then this one I haven't used yet, but it smells good. Thai style green curry. There you go. There you go. So check out Home Goods. I'm telling you, $3.99. So I'm actually going to also take some stuff from the what is this called? Seasoning rack, because I do have some extra fish tea seasonings. By the way, check out my fish tea video, y'all, of making fish tea soup. So I'm gonna go ahead and like, let me get a container. Let's see if I can find a container that I can store these. This fits. Perfect. So guys, I actually forgot that I had these Susan, what are they called? Lazy Susans. So I'm probably gonna try to see if they could fit in the lower part, so then at least I can spin to what the liking, you know, to pull what seasonings I need. So let's see, because this would help a lot. Instead of, because I kind of don't like the look of it just sitting there like all strung out. Yay! Yay! So it can actually fit. All right, so there you have it. Spin around. I don't have to take anything out or move something to get something other than the salt, but we don't really use that salt, so it can stay there. Have the suds on there. Yeah, this is it. Go ahead, take out all the seasonings. Little. And turn these over. Some are still wet, so I probably have to dry them. Not probably, I'll have to. y'all, so I'm gonna take a seasoning at a time and transfer it over. All my seasonings are up to date, by the way. So this is my oxtail seasoning. Let's get the labels, because that's what I'm afraid of. I'm afraid I'm gonna confuse myself. So let's see if they have oxtail. Let's see if they have oxtail seasoning. They have. They sent some blank ones. Look at that. They have some blank ones so I can write. So I actually have a pen. All right. So we are open. So I actually had purchased this as well. All-purpose marker, chalk ink. So I'm gonna go ahead and write in, even though I'd rather their font because my handwriting sucks, but that's okay. So we're gonna put oxtail. Yeah, oxtail. Let's see how this comes out. And wrote it. My handwriting sucks. Doing all these swapping of the containers and all that, right? And homegirl forgot to put these. So I'm actually going back and putting these on because it is seasoning, you know what I'm saying? So don't forget to put these on. I was just going ahead and screwing this on, leaving it open. Put these on, y'all.
I like to fight a little dirty, baby. If I opened up and caved in, would you hurt me, baby? I've been feeling like an alien, a refugee, an outsider. But sometime, you the first one made my heart beat, made my stomach drop with desire. It's no crime.
Alright y'all, so pretty much this is all the empty bottles of seasonings that I went ahead and used and swapped out. And let me show you the spice drawer. So I hate my handwriting ones, but that's Mrs. Dash extra spicy, cumin, Italian seasoning. I gotta fix that Italian seasoning one, but there you go. As you've seen, I removed one of the shelves. So the bottom is where I'll keep the extra seasonings until I can restock. These two weren't able to fit on the top shelf, but that's curry powder and another oxtail. And this one is onion salt, but we already have one up there. Yeah, so this is it. And this is the way it's supposed to be. And an easy in and out, easy in and out. Love it. From you, or we can let the right, y'all, so I am down here and I am going to attack this cabinet that I showed you earlier. I literally have miscellaneous things, a kettle because I switched it out. That's like my spring kettle that's on this stove now. Lunch bags. I have a cup from Miami. Like, why are these in here?
Oh, we can let the world start for us two. Please don't change, please don't stop. When you leave, breaks my heart. I've been down, you've been hurt. Since that day I put you first. Oh, we can let the
All right, y'all, so I am done. The house is a mess. I still have everything to throw out. That's garbage. But I just wanted to go ahead and end the video and show you guys the finished product of the plastic container drawer, as well as the drawers I kind of fixed up, as well as that cabinet over there with the Lazy Susan that's in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys and then we are done. So top drawer, that was a hot mess. Just have the mitts there. Then that drawer. That's it. I don't know what more motivation y'all need. You know what I'm saying? I done motivated myself, honey. Listen, thank you guys so much for watching. I am beat. It is now 8:22. I ate a cheeseburger for the whole day. Messed up my diet too. Thank you for tuning in part 2 of my kitchen cabinet organization. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Do not forget to comment. I will try to remember to link everything, not everything, but 90% of what I purchased and used today is from Container Store as well and Amazon. So if you have any questions, go ahead and comment down below. But thank you guys so much and I will see you in the next one. Peace.